Module 2, Lesson 1. Import subscribers from CSV. 4 minutes. If you're new to simple marketing, you probably already have an email list somewhere, a spreadsheet from your last campaign, an export from MailChimp or Constant Contact, a webinar registration forms download. This lesson gets that list into your workspace, with consent recorded correctly so you can send your first campaign next. Click Subscribers in the sidebar. The empty list loads. Click the Import button at the top right. This opens the import wizard. Drop your CSV file onto the drop zone or click to pick it from your file system. The wizard accepts standard CSV with a header row, up to 50,000 rows per upload. For this lesson, I'm uploading a CSV of 300 subscribers from a webinar last quarter. The wizard reads your CSV's header row and tries to map each column to a simple marketing field automatically. Email is required. Every row must have an email address. The wizard rejects rows without one. Below email, the other fields: first name, last name, phone, custom attributes. If the wizard guessed wrong on a mapping, click the drop-down and pick the right field. Notice the skip option. If your CSV has a column you don't want in simple marketing, set its mapping to skip and the wizard ignores it. When every required column is mapped, the next button activates. Click it. The source tag is how attribution knows where these subscribers came from. Every campaign, every conversion you measure later ties back to this tag. Pick a source category. For an import like this, the right choice is usually import. The category sets reporting buckets. Below that, the source name. This is a free-form label specific to this batch. For my CSV, I'll type Webinar Q2 2026. This label appears next to every row I'm about to import in the subscriber's life cycle. When you look at attribution 6 months from now, you can ask which campaigns this Webinar Q2 2026 cohort opened and which ones converted. Spend 10 seconds on this label. It earns its keep for the next 2 years. This is the most important step in the import. Picking the wrong lawful basis is the single most common consent compliance mistake. 4 options: consent, legitimate interest, contract, legal obligation. If your subscribers double opted into a marketing list, pick consent. This is the strongest position and matches GDPR Article 6.1, letter A. If they're existing customers or partners and there's a clear business relationship, legitimate interest is correct. The bar is that you can articulate why they reasonably expect marketing from you. Contract is for subscribers you have a contract with. Legal obligation is rare in marketing. If you're unsure, ask your compliance lead before clicking import. Setting it wrong now means re-importing later with a real audit trail correction. Click import. The wizard processes the file. You see a progress bar. 300 rows takes about 20 seconds. When it's done, you're returned to the subscribers list. The new rows appear with the source tag visible. Every row also has a consent event recorded with the basis you picked. Your audit ledger is intact. Next lesson: handling consent for subscribers who haven't double opted in yet.